Good morning everyone, myself Rohan Poale from Srinath Kia. So today we'll be seeing how to activate the UVO in your Kia vehicles. So first of all, there are two steps in activating the UVO. Now which we are seeing is the step where we are activating the UVO inside the vehicle. So there are some preconditions for activation. First of all, you must be inside the car. Vehicle should be on, engine should be on, and all doors should be locked. Okay, so just see here. Now I am just pointing at the mirror. So on mirror you can see there are three buttons. One is your SOS, one is your roadside assistance, and one is your UVO. Okay, so you just have to click on UVO once. Once you click, you will get a message on the screen: UVO activation required. Would you like to activate the service? So just press on yes. Now you can see there is no network here. After it will update, the network will be shown. So now you can see there are some terms and conditions which you have to agree. So just click on agree. Next. Again clicking on that. Next. Now it is activating the UVO service. It will take 10 to 15 seconds. And the message which you get on screen now is UVO activation successful. You have to just press on OK. So now you can see the network of UVO is displayed over here. Initially it was cross. So this is the first step where you are activating the UVO inside the vehicle. In the next video we'll see how enrollment is done through mobile phone. Okay, thank you so much. Good evening everyone, myself Rohan Poale. In continuation with the first video where we had seen how to activate the UVO in the vehicle, this video will show you how to activate the UVO through your mobile phones. So for that, first of all, you have to download the UVO application through your Play Store. So in the Play Store, just click on Kia UVO India, and that application will be downloaded in your mobile. So I've just downloaded into my mobile. So when I click on this, this is the page which you are directed. Okay, so this is the application where it will show you that you have to input some data. So for initial users, you have to click on create new account. So here there is option called create account. I'm just clicking on the create account option. Next it will ask me some terms and conditions. So I'm ticking these boxes and agreeing on the terms. I have to just click OK. Now in this page it will ask me to create new account, where it will ask me my email address. You have to set one password, then you have to input the name and date of birth. So I'm just inputting all this information. For password, remember it should be alphanumeric and one special character, so set it accordingly. Next is the date of birth. Now after that it will ask me the option where it is written sign up. So you have to just click on the sign up button. So it will now show you your account has now been created. So just click on OK. Now enter your mobile number. So in UVO the thing is that you have the primary number, and in addition to that you can give access to 4 people. So in this just include that number which is the primary number. Okay, so mobile number should be the primary number, and I'm inputting the primary number. So then you will get one OTP on your number. So I'm just checking with the OTP. Three 02263. Okay, then once you put the OTP over here, you have to confirm and proceed. So now it will show success, your mobile number has been verified. Okay, so I'm just clicking on OK. Now here it will ask me create your PIN. So for opening the UO application, you need to set one locking PIN. There's something when you set PIN for your bank transactions. So this should be a 4-digit PIN. I am setting according to my use. Consider 1 2 3 4 or so I'm setting is 3 7 8 9. Okay, so I have created my PIN. Again I am pressing on proceed. Now this is the main page. So this will show you two information. One is add my car and request to share the car. So initially just click on add my car. Okay, these are the terms and conditions which you have to agree, and then it will ask you vehicle identification number. Okay, so for this the vehicle identification number is available in your screen. So just see what I'm doing over here. Just click setup button. There is something called setup over here. When I click on setup, you can see UO over here. So just click on UO, and there's something written called modem information. So when I click on this modem information, I get to know my VIN number, which is written over here. So you have to input this 16-digit code in the mobile. So I'm just doing the same. Z B F E 813 L A N 001080. So now once you input this 16-digit code, it will ask you send verification code to the vehicle. You have to just click on this, and once this is done, you will see one OTP on the screen. Okay, so you see the OTP over here. It is GULT3A. So again, below that you have to enter the OTP. So it is GULT3A. So input as it is shown, because sometimes if it doesn't matches, it will show you error. So then there is below it is add my vehicle. So just click on add my vehicle. And now you can see on the screen UO activation is successful. Okay, so now just click on select. So this is your home screen for your UO. So this is how you have to enroll UO through your mobile phone. Thank you.